Let us start our exercise 2.2, question number 1. Which of the following A to D shows? Now dear student, here figures are there and here the options are there. Now we need to tell that 2 into 1/5, 2 times 1/5, 2 times 1/2, 3 times 2/3, 3 times 1/4. Student, if you don't know, so from the figure you find out and try to match your options. Now from the first figure, see here 3 circles are there and 2 part out of whole is shaded. That means what? It is 2/3. Second also 2/3 and third also 2/3. So dear student, how many times 2/3 are there? 1, 2, 3. So it is 3 times 2/3. So now let us find from the option whether it is there or not. 3 times 2/3, yes, it is there. So try to match it. You can match it or you can write option A beside the number. Now here see dear student, 1 part out of whole, that is 2 part out of 1 part is shaded. So 1/2 plus 1/2, that is how many times 1/2 is there? 2 times. So 2 times 1/2. So 2 times 1/2, is it there? Yes, it is there. So try to match it. Now here 1 part out of 4, that is 1/4. Here also 1/4. Here also 1/4. Now dear student, how many times 1/4 are there? 1, 2, 3. So 3 times 1/4. Is it there? Yes, 3 times 1/4. Now here's dear student, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Out of 5, 1 part is shaded. That is 1 part is shaded. Here also 1 part is shaded. How many times 1/5 are there? That is 2 times 1/5. Find it from the option. Yes, it is there. So try to match it. Now let us do question number 2. Some pictures A to C are given below. Tell which of them shows. Now dear student, here a few pictures are there. From this picture we have to find the option, correct option. Now let us see the first picture. Here it is 2 circle which is equals to 1 circle C. Out of 3 part, one part is colored. Here also out of 3 part, 1 part is colored. Now which is equals to, out of whole 2 part is colored. Now 1/3 plus 1/3, that is 2 times 1/3, which is equals to 2/3. So from this let us find which option will come. See here. So try to match it or you can write this number over here. Now let us see the another. Here out of 4 part, 3 part is colored. Here also out of 4 part, 3 part is colored. Here also out of 4 part, 3 part is colored. Means 1, 2, 3. 3 times 3/4, which is equals to, out of 4 part, all 4 part is colored. That is 4/4. Here also out of 4 part is colored. 4/4. And here out of 4 part, 1 part is colored. Now dear student, in this particular, when you will add the value, you will get 4 plus 4 plus 4, 9. Now when you will convert it into a mixed fraction, that is 2 4s are 8 plus 1 gives 9. That means 2 whole part and 1/4 left. Means 3 times 3/4 gives 2 times 1/4. So let us find. Yes, it is there. Now let us see the another. Out of 5 part, 1 part is colored. Out of 5, 1 part is colored. Out of 5, 1 part is colored. It gives out of 5, 3 part is colored. Now dear student, 1 plus 1, 1/5, 1/5, 1/5. That is 3 times 1/5. Gives 3 ones are 3 upon 5. 3/5. Is it there? Yes, it is there. Or you can write C. Question number 3. Multiply and reduce to lowest form and convert into a mixed fraction. Now dear student, here first you have to multiply both the value. Then if it is possible, try to reduce it into a lowest form. And then finally you have to convert into a mixed fraction. Now dear student, let us start. First one, that is 7 times 3/5. That is 7 multiplied by 3. 7 into 3/5 gives 7 3s are 21/5. Now dear student, here not possible to reduce into a lowest form. So what you will do? Convert it into a mixed fraction. So how to convert? See, you have to divide 21 by 5. 5 4s are 20, remainder 1. Always whatever the denominator is the same value, you have to write it over here. Then whatever portion you are getting, you have to write it over here. And whatever remainder you are getting, you have to write over here. That means what? To convert improper fraction into a mixed fraction, you have to divide the value. Then check. 4 5s are 20, 20 plus 1, 21. Yes, it is correct. Then 4 times 1/3, that is 4 into 1 divided by 3. 4 ones are 4. Here also not possible to reduce into a lowest form. So what we will do? A direct division we will do. 3 will come down only. 3 ones are 3 because 3 2s are 6, which is greater than 4. So 3 ones are 3. 4 minus 3 is 1 only. The one integer 1 by 3. Now 2 times 6 by 7. So 2 into 6 by 7, that is 2 6 are 12 by 7. Now here also not possible to reduce. So what you will do? Write down denominator 7 as it is. 7 ones are 7, you have to write. Why? Because 7 2s are 14, which is greater than 12. 7 ones are 7 and 12 minus 7 is 5. So one integer 5 by 7. Then 5 times 2 upon 9. So 5 2s are upon 9. 5 2s are 10. Here also not possible to reduce into a lowest form. So 9 ones are you have to take because 9 2s are 18, which is greater than 10. 9 ones are 9. 10 minus 9 is 1. So what we will do? One integer 1 by 9. Now 2 by 3 into 4, that is 4 times 2 third. So 2 into 4, 2 4s are 8. Here also not possible to reduce into a lowest form. Cancellation is not possible. So 3 as it is right now in denominator. 3 2s are 6 you have to take because 3 3s are 9, which is greater than 8. 3 2s are 6 and 8 minus 6 is 2. Whatever remainder you have to write in numerator. Let us see some number 6. 5 by 2 into 6. 6 times 5 by 2. So 5 into 6 by 2. 6 5s are 30. Dear student, here it is possible to reduce into a lowest form. Why? Because 2 15s are 30 and whatever left in denominator, nothing. So 1 you have to write. That is 15 by 1. Then 11 times 4 by 7. That is 11 into 4 by 7. 11 4s are 44 by 7. Now dear student, here not possible to reduce because cancellation is not possible. So what we will do? Direct convert it into a mixed fraction. That is 7 6 are 42 because 7 7 are 49, which is greater than 44. 7 6 are 42 and 44 minus 42 is 2. 6 integer 2 by 7. Then 20 times 4 by 5. 20 times 4 by 5, that is 28s are 24s are 80 and here it is 5. Now dear student, here cancellation is possible. Just divide it and you will get 5 16s are, and in denominator you have to write 1. 5 16s are 80. Then 13 ones are 13 times 1 by 3. So 13 ones are by 3. 13 ones are 13 only. Then not possible to reduce. So what you will do? Direct divide. 3 as it is you have to write. 3 4s are 12 and 3 5s are 15. 15 is greater than 13. So 3 4s are 12 you have to write. Then 3 4s are 12. 12 minus 13 minus 12 is 1. 4 integer 1 by 3. Then 15 times 3 fifth. So 15 into 3 by 5 and 15 3s are. What do we do? 15 3s are 45. 45. Now dear student, here cancellation is possible. You can reduce the value. So 5 9s are 45 and in denominator 1 will come. Let us do question number 4. Shades half of the circle in a box A. Now dear student, out of total number of a circle in this box, half of the circle you have to shade. But how you will come to know how many are half out of whole? So for that purpose, you just have to count the number of circle first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. Means out of 12, you have to shade half of it. So 12 into half. So 2 6 are. That means what? 6 many number of circle you have to shade. So see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 out of 12 circle. Now shade 2/3 of the triangle in a box. You have to shade 2/3 of the triangle. Now how will come to know? So again you have to count number of triangle first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 numbers of triangles are there. Out of 9 you have to shade 2/3 of it. So 2/3 of 9. 2/3 of 9, that is 3 3s are 9 and 3 2s are 6. That means what? 2/3 of 9 is 6. That is 6 number of triangle you have to shade. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now next shade 3/5 of the square in a box. Now again how will come to know how many are 3/5? So again count the number of boxes first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 numbers of squares are there. Then out of 15 you have to shade 3/5 part of it. 3/5 part. So how will come to know 3/5 part of 15 is? So 5 3s are 15 and 3 3s are 9. That means out of 15 number for square you have to shade 9 number of square. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 out of 15. Let us do question number 5. Find. That is first one in that two value to find. That is half of 24 and half of 46. Now let us find first half of 24. Of means, as I told you previously, fraction denote of. Of means multiply. So half of 24. That is 1/2 of 24. So 1/2 of 24, that means 1 into 24. That is 1/24s are 24 only. Now dear student, don't do direct cancellation. You have to show the method. Here you can reduce the value to 12. That means half of 24 is 12. Then half of 46. As all know, it is half of 46 is 23 only, but we have to show the method. That is 1 into 46 by 2. Don't do direct cancellation. 146 are 46 by 2. Then 46 divides 2 gives 23. Then B. 2/3 of 18 and 2/3 of 27 you have to find. That first one, 2/3 of 18. 2/3 of 18 means 2 into 18. That means 2 into 18 divided by 3. Don't do direct cancellation. As I told you, you have to multiply. Now dear student, 18 2s are 36. Now you can do cancellation. You can reduce the value. 3 12s are 36. Then second one, 2/3 of 27. 2 into 27 by 3. 3 9s are 27 and 2 9s are 18 going to come, but you have to show the method. As I told you, 27 2s are, double of 27 is 54, and divide 54 by 3. Divide 54 by 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 8s are, as I told you, it is 80. Now C, 3/4 of 16 and 3/4 of 36. The first one, 3/4 of 16. Don't do direct cancellation. 3 into 16 by 4. You can check your answer here itself. That is 4 4s are 16 and 4 3s are 12 will come. But you have to show the method. 16 3s are multiplied over here. 16 3s are 3 6 are 18. 1 carry. That is 48. And reduce the value. 4 12s are, that is 4 1s are 4 and 4 2s are 8. Now next is second one, 3/4 of 36. That is 4 9s are 36 and 9 3s are 27. 27 will come. Let us check. 3 into 36. 3 times 36 divided by 4. Then multiplied, as I told you, compulsory you need to multiply. 3 6 are 18, 1 carry, that is 108 by 4. Now you need to divide the value 108 by 4. Let us check whether you are getting 27 or not. 4 2s are 8. 4 7s are, yes, we are getting 27. Now the last sum, that is 4th, 5th, that is 4 upon 5 of 20. The first one, 4 by 5 part of 20. 5 4s are 20 and 4 4s are 16 you should get. That is 4/5 part of 20 is 16. So let us check. 4 into 20 by 5. Don't do direct cancellation. Now 20 4s are 80 and 5 16s are 80. Then second one, 4/5 part of 35. Here also you can check the value. 5 7s are 35 and 7 4s are 28. You should get 28 over here. Let us check. 4 times 35, that is 4 into 35 by 5. 35 4s are multiplied over here. 4 5s are 20 to carry. 3 4s are 12, 13 14. Now 140 divides by 5. Now let us see whether you should get 28 or not. Now 5 3s are 15, so you can't take. The 5 2s are 10 and 5 8s are 40. Yes, you got your value. Now first what I will write, 140 by 5. Just now only we did multiplication over here. Then after dividing we got 28. Let us start question number 6. Multiply and express as a mixed fraction. Now dear student, here you have to multiply first, then you have to convert the value into mixed fraction. So let us start. First one is given 3 times pi integer 1 by 5. Now dear student, directly we can't multiply. So what you need to do is first that you just need to convert this value first. That is, write down 3 as it is. Convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. How to convert? Multiply it. 5 5s are 25. 25 plus 1, that is 26 by 5. After that, now you can easily multiply the value. That is 3 times 26. So 326. Let us do it over here. Then 326. You have to multiply. 26 3s are 3 6 are 18. 1 carry, 2 3 are 6 7. Gives 78 by 5. Now dear student, this value you have to convert it into a mixed fraction. So for that, as I told you, you have to divide the value. That is, you have to divide the numerator by denominator. So 5 ones are 5, 5 5s are 25 and remainder 3. That means how much we are getting over here? So let us write it over here. As I told you, the whatever the value in denominator, same value you have to take, and whatever the value in quotient, you have to write it over here, and whatever the value in remainder, you have to write it over here. That is 3 remainder. So 15 integer 3 by 5. Now let us see some number B. Now 5 times 6 integer 3 by 4. So first you need to convert this value. 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 3, 27 by 4. Then you can multiply the value. 5 27s are. Multiply it over here. 27 5s are. 7 5s are 35. 3 carry. 2 5s are 10. 11 12 13. That is 135 by 4. Now this value you have to convert it into a mixed fraction. So how to convert? As I told you, divide it. So divide 130 by 5 4. So 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12. 4 4s are 16. So again 3 it is coming. So 4 3s are 12 and remainder 3. So that means what? 4 as it is you have to write in denominator. As I told you, whatever the value of quotient, you have to write it over here, and the remainder you have to write over here. That means 33 integer 3 by 4. Now the next is 7 times 2 integer 1 by 4. So 7 times converted, 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 1, 9 by 4. Then 7 9s are 63. Directly don't do, show the method. Then 36 by 4. Now dear student, sorry, 63. 63. 7 9 is 63. Now dear student, again you divide it. 4 ones are 4, 4 5s are 20, and 3 remainder. So what you will write over here? 4 as it is in denominator, 15 over here, and 3 over here. So 15 integer 3 by 4. Then 4 times 6 integer 1 by 3. So what we will do? Convert it first. 6 is 18, 18 plus 1, 19 by 3. Then try to write in multiple form. Then multiply it. 14, 19, 4s are. 4 9s are 36, 3 carry, that is 76. Now you have to reduce. Sorry, you have to convert it into a mixed fraction. So how to do? Divide it. 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. That is, as I told you, denominator 3, same, you have to write. Then 25 over here, and the remainder 1 you have to write. That is, as all know, 25 3s are 75, 75 plus 1, 76. Let's see the next one. 3 integer 1 by 4 into 6. That is, first you need to convert this value. 3 4s are 12, 12 plus 1, 13 by 4. Multiply by 6. Then 13 into 6. 13 into 6 by 4. Now multiply it. 13 6 are. Then 3 6 are 18, 1 carry, 678. So what we will write over here? 78 by 4. Now dear student, if it is possible to reduce, you can reduce. Or you can don't do direct cancellation over here. Here it is possible, both value is possible to reduce by 2. What I will do, 2 2s are 4, and 78 divided by 2, 2 3s are 6, 9s are, that is 39s are. So let us write over here 39 by 2. Now after that, now this value you have to convert it into a mixed fraction. 39 by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18, and remainder 1. As I told you that 2, whatever value in denominator, same value will come in denominator. Quotient's value will come over here, and remainder value will come over here. That is 19 integer 1 by 2. The next one. 3 integer 2 by 5 into 8. So first convert this value. 3 5s are 15, 15 plus 2, 17 by 5. Then multiply it. 17 8s are. Here cancellation also not possible. So direct multiplication. Now multiply it. 17 8s are. 7 8s are 56, 5 carry, 5 plus 8, 13. That is 136 by 5. Now to convert it into a mixed fraction, we have to divide the value. That is 136 by 5. 5 3s are 15, not possible to subtract from 13. The 5 2s are 10. 5 7s are 35, remainder 1. That means what? As it is 5 27s are, and plus 1. Let us see question number 7, that is find the value. That is a half of 2 integer 3 by 4 and second half of 4 integer 2 by 9. So let us start how to do a first one. That is half of 2 integer 3 by 4. So of means you have to put multiplication sign. Half of means multiply 2 integer 3 by 4. Now convert it into improper fraction. 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 3, 11 by 4. Now multiply it. 1 into 11 and 2 4s are, that is 1, 11s are 11 and 2 4s are 8. Now dear student, it's very simple. That is 8 1s are 8 plus 3 11. If you don't know, you can divide it over here. That is 8 1s are 8, remainder is 3. So 8 will come over here, quotient will come over here, and remainder will come over here. Now the next, in that only, second one. Now half of 4 integer 2 by 9. So half, that is multiplied by 4 integer 2 by 9. Then half, convert it. 4 9s are 36. 36 plus 2, 38 by 9. Then 1 into 38 and 2 into 9. Then 1 38s are 38 and 2 9s are 18. Now cancellation possible? Yes. So both value you try to reduce by 2. 2 9s are 18 and 2 19s are, if you don't know, you can divide it over here. Check it over here. 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are, yes. So 2 19s are, both value you have to reduce by 2. So 19 by 9 we got. So what you will write? 9 2s are 18 and 18 plus 1 19. If you don't know, you can check it over here that 19 2s are 18, remainder 1. Then second question, 5 by 8 of 3 integer 5 by 6 and 9 integer 2 by 3. So let us see the first one, that is 5 by 8 of means multiply, 3 integer 5 by 6. Then in next step you just convert it. 3 6 are 18, 18 plus 5 23. Now 5 23s are 8 6 are, now 5 23s are, now 23 5s are, 3 5s are 15, 1 carry, 2 5s are 10 11, that is 115 and 6 is the 48. Here also now not possible to reduce, so divide and convert it into a mixed fraction, that is 115 divided by 48. 48 2s are 96, 48 2s are 96 and 48 3s are maybe greater than 115. So 48 2s are 96. When you will subtract 9, 19 you will get. So that means what? 48 2s are 96 plus 19. Then 5 upon 8 of 9 integer 2 by 3. So 5 by 8 of 9 integer 2 by 3. Converting into mixed fraction, 3 9s are 27, 27 plus 2, 29 by 3. Then 5 29s are and 8 3s are. 8 3s are 24 and 5 29s are 29 5s are. 9 5s are 45, 4 carry, 2 5s are 10 plus 4 145. And dear student, now you have to convert it into a mixed fraction. So 24 5s are, first check the multiple. 24 5s are, 4 5s are 20, 2 carry, 2 5s are 10, 11 12, it is much less than 24 6 are. 6 4s are 24, 2 carry, 2 6s are 12, 14. Yes, it is possible to subtract from 145. So 145 when we will divide by 24, so 24 6 is 144 and remainder is 1. What we will write over here? 24 6 144 plus 1, that is 145. Let us do our last sum of this exercise. Vidya and Pratap went for a picnic. Their mother gave them a water bottle that contained 5 liters of water. Means when Vidya and Pratap went for a picnic, the mother gave them a water bottle which contained 5 liters of water. Vidya consumed 2/5 of water, Pratap consumed the remaining water. Now dear student, here related to this statement, 2 questions are there. First we have to find how much water drunk by Vidya. So what we will write? Let us find quantity of water consumed by Vidya. So she drunk 2/5 of water. So 2/5 of, she drunk 2/5 of water, means the bottle contains 5 liters of water. So 2/5 of 5 liter you have to find. 5 liters. So of means you have to put multiple sign. Don't do direct cancellation as I told you. 2 5s are 10 by 5. liters. Now 10 divided by 5 gives 2 liter. That means C drunk 2 liters of water out of 5 liter. Now, what fractions of the total quantity of water did Pratap drink? Now here we need to find the fraction. So to find the fraction, before that we have to find the quantity of water drunk by Pratap. Then only we can able to find the fraction. Now first find out quantity of water drunk by Pratap. Means see dear student, here if 2 liter is drunk by Vidya, so out of 5, if 2 liter is drunk by Vidya, so how much be drunk by Pratap? Obviously, if out of 5 liter minus 2 liters gives 3 liter. So 3 liters drunk by Pratap. Now we can easily find the fraction. So write down the statement: fraction of the total quantity of water drunk by Pratap. So to find out fraction, what do you need to do? That is quantity of water drunk by Pratap divided by total quantity of water in bottle. That means how much quantity drunk by Pratap? 3 liter. And total quantity in the water bottle 5 liter. So what we will write? That is 3/5 of fraction, that is total out of total quantity of water drunk by Pratap.